Hi kids. Look at this round shape. It's like a pizza and cookie, all the way round. It's the same distance from the middle. Who I am? I am circle.
Kids, this shape has 4 sides that are all the same length. All 4 corners make right angles like the tiles on the floor. It's square. Kids, a rectangle is like a long stretched out square. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides like a book or a door. It's rectangle. I have 3 sides. They can look like a slice of pizza or a big mountain. I am triangle.
I have 5 sides, like a house with a pointy roof. It's pentagon.
It's have 8 sides like a stop sign. It's octagon. Kids, this shape looks like the symbol for love. It's like 2 round circles at the top and a point at the bottom. It's heart. T looks like the moon when it's not quite a full circle. It's a curved shape like a banana. It's crescent.